Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the class or recreational vehicle market, the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr Motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of elegance and innovation. Building on Tiffin Motorhome's well-established reputation for luxurious amenities and fine craftsmanship, the 2026 Zephyr is set to raise the bar for mobile living to previously unheard-of levels. It is anticipated that the 2026 Zephyr's appearance will exhibit a tasteful fusion of aerodynamic efficiency and elegant style. It will have a commanding presence on the road thanks to its sleek lines, integrated lighting systems that use cutting-edge LED technology, and carefully applied full-body paint in unique color schemes. Practicality will be provided by several storage options that are skillfully incorporated into the coach's design without detracting from its attractive profile. Moreover, slide-out mechanisms and powered awnings will probably be included to improve outdoor living and increase the campsite's internal area. The 2026 Zephyr will be designed for outstanding performance and a comfortable, smooth ride beneath its elegant exterior. A sturdy chassis will offer a strong base and is probably from a reliable manufacturer. In order to provide smooth navigation over a variety of terrains, the powertrain will be chosen to provide enough of power and torque. Hydraulic leveling jacks and sophisticated air suspension systems will help ensure a level and stable platform both when moving and when at rest. The 2026 Tiffin Zephyr's interior will be a prime example of residential luxury. An atmosphere of sophisticated comfort will be created by high-end components such as exquisite solid-surface worktops, soft leather furniture, and handcrafted cabinetry made from carefully chosen hardwoods. The living areas, which will have entertainment centers with the newest audiovisual equipment and cozy seating configurations, will be carefully planned to optimize both space and usefulness. Huge panoramic windows will let in plenty of natural light and provide stunning views of the surrounds. With top-of-the-line amenities like dishwashers, convection microwave ovens, induction cooktops, and refrigerators the size of a house, the kitchen in the 2026 Zephyr will be a gourmet paradise. Long trips will be accommodated with ample storage space for food and cookware. With luxurious beds, ample wardrobe space, and private and soot bathrooms with spa-like features like porcelain toilets, roomy showers, and sophisticated vanities, the sleeping quarters will provide a peaceful haven. The 2026 Tiffin Zephyr will be distinguished by its technological integration. Numerous coach services, like as lighting, climate control, and entertainment, will be managed by sophisticated management systems, which are frequently accessed via user-friendly touchscreens or mobile applications. With features like electronic stability control, anti-lock brake systems, and extensive video systems boosting driver confidence, safety will be of the utmost importance. To sum up, the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr Motorhome is expected to be a model of elegance, performance, and advanced technology in the Class A RV market. It will probably appeal to discriminating tourists who want a home-away-from-home feel without sacrificing comfort, convenience, or style for long road trips.